This is probably one of the best things we've done in our 21 years. We partnered up with Make-A-Wish Georgia. We met this incredible guy named Bobby, really into Legos. We wanted to make something very special for him, and we made this incredible Lego room. We've always done something for the community, and we really want to take our efforts to another level. So we partnered with a pretty great company called Make-A-Wish Georgia. They really do some incredible things for the people in this community.
Before we started the design process, me and my team really wanted to understand what his idea was of a perfect room. We worked through with him to make sure everything that he wanted, we put to life.
Having a room that is accessible to his wheelchair, him being able to adjust the height of his desk and open the drawers where his Legos are all sorted in an easy way for him to access. And then obviously to display his creations, what he builds. It's not just visually so appealing, but it's functional.
Make-A-Wish is more than building something. So much of our day is spent with medical stuff. And so for him to be able to have this to look forward to, and then for him to have had all these people come in and embrace him, that's the biggest part.
I want to tell Bobby, thank you for believing in us, and we hope you love your room.